Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Now, it's been like 2 pushing 3 weeks since I've uploaded a video on this channel. I do apologize for that, but I've been incredibly busy. I'm not complaining about being busy at all. It's just that time of the year where you have to get down, make things happen, and get things done. I think on my gaming channel, if you guys are not following me over there, make sure you guys go ahead and do so. Just type in ears on YouTube, you will find it. I've uploaded, I think, damn near 60 videos during the month of November, and we'll be doing the same thing during the month of December. Again, like I said, it's just that time of year where you gotta get down, make things happen, and get things done. Now, I have about 5 days, not really even like 5 days, of like downtime, free time. Really not even down or free time, but I got a little bit of time. So I went ahead, made some phone calls, got some things in order, and some things are happening for the car within the next 60 to 90 days, maybe even sooner than that, depending on when stuff gets here. Now, next week, I'm actually getting the car retuned. We're finally gonna get the car retuned on Wednesday with the long tube headers, and now that the car is not having an exhaust leak, we can get an accurate reading on what the car makes. Now, previously with the short tube headers, with the exhaust leak, the car made 400 wheel horsepower, 410 horsepower, and like 400 torque. So I have no idea what it's gonna make with the long tubes and the non-leaking X pipe, the non-leaking manifolds, leaking everything. I mean, I'm not too sure what it's gonna make, but honestly, I don't really care how much it's gonna make. I just want the car to be running at the peak of its potential so I can have some fun with it before we start getting down to some business. Now, at the end of this month, if not the beginning of next month, I will be placing an order for a built short block, some trick flow heads, some custom grind cams, as well as a return style fuel system. We're gonna be changing up the entire setup on the car. Still gonna be a supercharger car, but obviously with the built bottom end, turned up compression to about 11, running E85 through a return style fuel system on 15 pounds of boost roughly. This car is gonna get down and it's gonna be a bunch of fun. So cannot wait for that to happen. Want to make a video, let you guys know exactly what's going down with the car and kind of what I've been doing this entire month that I really have not been uploading and really haven't been posting anything on Instagram. Like, I literally moved to Texas like a month ago, a little bit over a month ago, and I knew this was gonna happen. I knew that I was gonna have to get down to work, make some things happen, get some things done. Like, literally, the day that I moved here, I immediately started work like that night. Like, I have not had a day off like since I've moved here, which again, I'm not complaining at all. I signed up for it. I knew this was gonna happen, but I wanted to be down here. So, you know, when things need to get in motion, I'm already where I need to be at. So, like I said, it's been a pretty busy, past 30 days. It's going to be an even busier next 30 days, which is good. And honestly, it's just going to be playing the waiting game until all my stuff gets here, and then we can start going ahead and turning the car. Now, I've already, went ahead and got, the quotes for everything. I already went ahead and talked to a shop that I'm getting everything done at. So everything's pretty much in line. I'm just gonna go ahead and just, again, play the waiting game for all my stuff to get in. Now, when I do go ahead and make the order for the short block, the fuel system, the heads, the cams, I'll make a video explaining all that stuff, exactly what parts I got, why I got them, and, the time period and which, it'll be going on the car and when we can actually have some fun with it. Now, I am planning on hopefully having the car ready by Texas 2K, so that'd be pretty cool if it is. I think it honestly should be done by then. If not, oh well. But we're just gonna have some fun with it and, like I said, see how much power it can make, with, some better mods. Now, since I've been down here, the only thing that I've done to this car is I just went ahead and changed the brakes. That's literally it. I haven't done anything else. I haven't changed the intercooler, none of that stuff. Obviously, the intercooler is going to be replaced with, the short block, so it can flow a little bit, air a little bit better, but I haven't done anything else. I've just been cruising the car. I haven't gone to any meets. Really haven't been racing the car at all. Besides, if somebody pulls up to me next to like a highway or something like that, or a street when I'm going out to get lunch. I haven't done really any of that stuff since I've moved here. I've been like super busy. I think I went to like a meet like a couple weeks ago, but it really wasn't anything too crazy. So, hey, fellas, you got to get down. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what the car looks like, and the brakes, I guess. But that's pretty much all I've done. All right, as you guys can see here, literally nothing has changed. Still got the front bumper on, still got the hood. Rear bumper's the same headlights, same front lip, everything's the same. Only thing we've done is just change the brakes. So you guys can see here, fresh brakes. These brakes were completely gone, by the way, fellas. Like, they were gone. They're making noises, they were gone. I think I just replaced the same brakes that I had previously. I just threw them back on the car because everything's like out of stock right now. Couldn't even get a big brake kit. Nothing. So I just replaced the same brakes. Obviously we're gonna have to upgrade the brakes again down the line when the power's turned up, but these are like some like Street Warrior brakes or something like that. They're pretty decent, they're not bad. But yeah, that's pretty much like everything that's been going on, man. Oh shoot, something else I meant to go ahead and say. I actually am gonna be changing the front bumper, the hood, as well as replacing the rear bumper because that is damaged, as you guys can see here. Still like that, bought the car like that, but no big deal. All that's gonna be replaced. Actually, this is gonna be replaced, I believe, at the beginning of next month. Getting a cow hood, same front bumper, same front lip, just all new. Paint matched everything, so should look decent. I'm thinking about putting a tire in the car now. I actually might not do that though. I don't think there's really a, well, there is a point to do it because the car spins like a motherfucker. Depending on how much it makes and how it feels will be dependent on if I get a tire on the car, but I kind of don't want to get a tire now just because I know the car is going to be torn down within the next couple of months, so it's kind of pointless, but Jesus. I try to go to like a secluded area. I still don't really know where the fuck I'm at. Like, whoa, holy shit. Texas bugs, crazy. I try to go to like it's a secluded area, and that didn't work out. Like, I've been here for like over a month. I still don't really know where I'm at. That kind of lets you know how much I get out, but yeah, that's pretty much everything that's going down, man. Yeah, there's some... What the hell? Somebody got in an accident right over here. As I'm recording this video. Somebody literally just got in an accident. I didn't even notice. What the fuck? Let me get the hell out of here, y'all. These Texas guys tripping. Somebody literally got in an accident as I'm recording this video. That's crazy. But hey, y'all stay safe out there, man. I would just keep doing my thing. Literally, there's actually a bad... Look at this. There's actually a bad accident over here. I didn't even know this was going down. This was not here like 2 minutes ago. What the hell? But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Guess I'll end this video off with the POV. Deuces.